Crikey, would you guys have a look at this? It's absolutely amazing. What we've got here is a beautiful shed, and Sean, he got the memo earlier today and he wore the right shirt. Like my old mate Steve, they've gone for a beautiful khaki coloured flashing detail on this, and it makes it pop. Sean, give us a few specs.
Well, obviously we've got a 90 square metre shed behind us. It's huge, 3 metre high walls.
3 metres!
Yeah, 4.5 just to that apex there, the ridge. And there we've got a couple clear lights on the roof.
Oh, absolutely fantastic. Come around the corner here with us and we're going to check out a couple more amazing features. Oh, would you have a look at this? A beautiful bit of city glass joinery. Absolutely fantastic.
Good to see it's locked as well, you know,
Locked.
all the goodies stored in there.
Get me in there. Absolutely. All of the flashings you'd have seen on earlier videos where we came and measured it all up and explained how you do it all. It's all just come together so beautifully. Oh, just absolutely fantastic, this one. I can't imagine what sort of critters and goodies you could have inside a big shed like this.
So what colour we got here on the outside, you reckon?
It's brown. I don't know what colour it is.
Lignite.
Lignite. You learn something new every day, which is what's so great about Waikato Sheds. We're always evolving, always learning.
You don't see it too often, do you?
No, you don't, but
Just like those crockies.
just like the Crocs, you're seeing them more and more on people's feet, not on the building site. You gotta have your steel caps. But that's what I love, the Lignite, and then this beautiful desert sand, khaki inspired look. It just popped. Pew, 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 just so good, so beautiful. You know, I think I'm gonna have to build myself one at home and take this. You see 3 roller doors on this side, so you can just open those out, enjoy the beautiful gardens I've got here, all sorts of treasures on inside. If we had smell-o-vision, you could smell the beautiful candles that are in there.
The client was originally using this for his boat, you know, wants to go fishing and stuff.
Rumour is that he's keen on a second shed, which, you know, you can never have too many sheds. I've never met a bloke or a bloke yet that's had too many sheds, you know. One for the Land Rover, one for the dinghy. Oh, fantastic. The little windows up the top, awesome little feature. They let in some great light, but they just give it that old school barn feel, which I'm just all about. And then a little bit different on this shed, which a nice straight gable, but we've gone and the clients wanted a little overhang on the side for a little bit of extra waterproofing. So we've made these little eaves extend out and they just look fantastic.
And you've even covered up the columns so you can't see any silver. It lines nicely with all the same
nicely.
colour.
Birds can't get in, which is always really important. Oh well, that's about it. And you know, I'm super excited now. Gonna have to get out there and get amongst it, find the next shed, film the next video. Let's go.
All right, cheers guys.